Well, hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today's episode is because I'm a part of a monthly collaboration all about desserts, and the theme this month is flower foods. We're all supposed to make a special dessert that utilizes flowers. Well, I found this exciting recipe that I've been wanting to try, a tiramisu that doesn't use coffee. It uses sweet tea. A sweet tea tiramisu. Well, I thought I'd liven that up with a little flowers. And you know what kind of flower I'm going to use? Hibiscus flowers. Let's give this a try. Thanks to the channel Baker Brewz for hosting this awesome collaboration. I started by boiling 4 cups of water, and then I added some tea bags. You then cover it and let it steep for 10 minutes. Then you remove the tea bags, and you're going to add a cup of sugar and stir that until it's dissolved. I have my hibiscus flowers here. They actually feel like some dried flowers. So I'm going to add a handful of those flowers to my tea mixture. Now I'm going to bring this to a boil on medium, and I'm going to occasionally stir it for about 20 to 22 minutes until it becomes about a cup of liquid. And now I'm going to strain it and bring it to room temperature. It's time to make the creamy filling. Grab a bowl. I need 2 8-ounce containers of mascarpone cheese, a tablespoon of vanilla, a half a cup of sugar, and give it a stir. In another bowl, I need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to beat that on medium until we get soft peaks. And I'm going to fold that into the cheese mixture. And we have ourselves a tiramisu cream. I have some ladyfingers here that I need to layer flat side up on the bottom of a dish. Drizzle with half of that tea mixture. Top and spread on half of that cheese mixture. Repeat with another layer of ladyfingers. Let's finish off that sauce. It's so red, so if you did it without the hibiscus flowers, it would be a nice brown color. And let's finish with the last of that cheese mixture. And now comes the long part. You have to cover it and chill it for 12 hours in the fridge. I'm excited about this one. Here we go, sweet tea tiramisu. Look at that. Sweet tea tiramisu with hibiscus flowers. Let's try it. Wow. Just kind of have a fruity flavor. The tea gives it a good sharpness. It's a very tasty tiramisu. It's actually been on my bucket list to make a tiramisu, so I'm glad I got to do this one. I think I'll give it a 7.3 out of 10. It's great, but I know hibiscus flowers aren't very handy, and you know you can make this sweet tea tiramisu without those flowers, and it'll still be amazing. Thanks, Baker Brewz, for hosting this collaboration. To see more people who are involved, check out the link in my description. What kind of tea does a martial arts teacher drink? Karate.